Hindi madaling magtanong, magulat at maglahad ng katotohanan, lalo na kung may panganib ang nakaagipat ito. And that's why this administration has made it clear that the safety and welfare of our journalists must be protected at all times. Noong dumalo ako sa 50th anniversary of the Foreign Correspondents Association of the Philippines, sinabi ko ang pamahalaan ay patuloy na maninindigan upang protektahan ang kapakanan ng mga mamahayag. Sisikapin din namin na makamit ng mga biktima at kanilang mga mahal sa buhay ang hustisya. Kaugnay nito, hinihikayat ko rin ang mga grupo ng media na tulungan ang ating mga kababayan upang alamin at tukuyin ang totoo at kung ano ang fake news. Kaya naman, patuloy natin pinapalakas ang mga mekanismo ng proteksyon at koordinasyon sa pagitan ng pamahalaan at ng sektor ng media. Asahan naman ninyo na ang inyong pamahalaan ay gumagawa ng mga hakbang upang pangalagaan ang inyong kapakanan at puksain ang pagkalat ng maling impormasyon. Recently, the Presidential Task Force on Media Security signed a memorandum of agreement with the National Bureau of Investigation to reinforce our fight against violence and threats against media workers. It has also partnered with the Public Attorney's Office to provide legal services to our media personnel. Tinitiyak natin na sa bawat banta may gobyernong handang magtanggol sa inyo. And aside from this, the DICT has forged partnerships with Google in May 2025 and with Meta in February of 2026 to strengthen content safeguards. Additionally, the Presidential Communications Office signed a Memorandum of Understanding with print media, and this month they've done that this month to implement Oplan Contra Fake News. This shall create a rapid response system to counter the spread of disinformation. We are promoting greater transparency and accountability in the bureaucracy. This supports our efforts to report facts and to have facts and truth reported. The administration has pushed for the passage of the Right to Information Act by including it in the LEDAC Common Legislative Agenda for the 20th Congress.